Welcome to Review Lab. The best Carefree Long is probably one of the most essential items for anyone looking to maintain a clean and confident lifestyle, offering unparalleled protection and discretion throughout the day. Whether you're navigating a busy workday, enjoying a night out, or simply seeking everyday peace of mind, the advanced design and superior absorbency of Carefree Long pads ensure you feel secure and comfortable, allowing you to focus on what matters most without any worry. This product is engineered to provide a reliable and discreet solution, making it a top choice for those who prioritize comfort and protection in their personal care routine. Number 5. Frida Mom Postpartum Essentials Kit. Welcome to your postpartum journey. This kit is designed to provide comfort and support during your recovery. We've included everything you need for those first few weeks. From comfortable underwear to soothing pads and foam, we've got you covered. Pack this for your hospital bag and feel prepared. It ensures you have essential items for immediate postpartum care. Experience gentle care with our maxi pads and healing foam. They are designed to provide maximum comfort and aid in your recovery. This comprehensive kit includes disposable underwear, ice maxi pads, perineal healing foam, and pad liners. It's your all-in-one solution for postpartum needs. A peri bottle is also included for easy and hygienic cleansing. It's an essential tool for maintaining cleanliness during recovery. What we like. This comprehensive kit is designed for new moms needing immediate postpartum relief. It includes everything from disposable underwear to healing foam and liners. If you're preparing your hospital bag and want a convenient, all-in-one solution for postpartum recovery, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The disposable undies are so comfy and they're tight and stay put while also being so stretchy and breathable. The handheld bidet has such a nice nozzle and it really helps gently wash away all the post-birth ick. The combination of the ice pack pads and the multiple sources of witch hazel, absolutely bliss. Felt so nice on my downstairs, tear, and hernia. Number 4. LOLA Ultra Thin Organic Cotton Pantiliners. Experience reliable leak protection with a slim profile. These liners are perfect for lighter days or when you need extra security, giving you peace of mind. Enjoy ultimate comfort with a 100% organic cotton top sheet and core. Their hourglass shape and soft, flexible edges ensure dependability throughout your day. Designed with your well-being in mind, these liners are gynecologist recommended and hypoallergenic. They are a trusted choice for organic feminine care. Measuring 6.5 inches, each liner offers flexibility and absorbency for daily use. They are an essential part of your personal health care needs. We are dedicated to providing high-quality organic feminine products you can trust. Made with clean, fragrance-free materials, they ensure transparency about what touches your body. What we like. Experience ultimate comfort with these ultra-thin liners made from 100% organic cotton. They are hypoallergenic and designed to be flexible for daily wear. If you prioritize natural materials and gentle care for sensitive skin, or need reliable protection for lighter days, these are an excellent option. What people say. They work great, stick to underwear great, and have good light absorption. Super thin, odorless, breathable, and cotton. By the far the best quality product in this category. Breathable, stick well, don't bunch, no humidity buildup, very thin, inconspicuous, individually folded and wrapped. I like that they are wider than my usual brand, they fit my underwear better. Number 3. Carefree Ultra Thin Pad Super Long with Wings, 84 CT. Experience ultimate comfort and security with our ultra-thin pads. Designed for superior absorbency, they keep you feeling fresh and confident all day long. These pads are crafted to be incredibly thin, so you'll barely feel them. Enjoy discreet and comfortable protection, no matter what your day holds. Our pads feature wings for a secure fit that stays in place. Move freely and confidently, knowing you're protected from leaks. Get the coverage you need with our super long size. They provide extended protection, perfect for your heaviest days and overnight use. This value pack ensures you're always prepared. With 3 packs of 28, you'll have plenty of protection on hand when you need it most. Trust Carefree for your feminine care needs. We are dedicated to providing reliable and comfortable solutions for your period and postpartum care. What we like. Get superior protection with these extra long pads featuring wings for a secure fit. Their ultra-thin design ensures comfort without compromising on absorbency. If you need extended coverage, especially during heavier flow days or overnight, and prefer a discreet yet secure feel, these pads are ideal. What people say. The product is very comfortable and fits well. It provides excellent protection and stays in place. The material is soft and breathable, preventing irritation. Number 2. Carefree Pantiliners. Introducing Carefree Pantiliners, designed for your everyday comfort and freshness. Experience a new level of confidence with these long liners. Our unscented Pantiliners provide reliable protection without any added fragrance. Keep your sensitive skin comfortable and irritation-free all day long. Each liner is individually wrapped for your convenience and hygiene. Take them with you on the go for discreet protection whenever you need it. These long liners offer extended coverage for added security throughout your day. Feel protected and comfortable, no matter what your schedule holds. Get great value with this 92-count pack, ensuring you're always prepared. Enjoy long-lasting freshness and protection with this essential feminine care product. What we like. These long panty liners offer discreet, everyday freshness without any added fragrance. The unwrapped design makes them convenient for on-the-go use. If you're looking for reliable daily protection that feels natural and fresh, especially if you prefer unscented products, these are a great choice. What people say. The product is a good value for the price. I have been using this product for a long time and it is very effective. The design of the product is very user-friendly. Number 1. Carefree Body Shape Togo Pantiliners. Keep feeling clean and fresh every single day. These pantiliners are designed for your daily comfort. Experience a comfortable fit that moves with you. They are shaped to provide discreet protection. Enjoy long-lasting freshness and confidence throughout your day. Each pantiliner offers reliable protection. This pack contains 42 pantiliners, ensuring you have plenty for daily use. They are perfect for on-the-go freshness. Enjoy the gentle, unscented comfort designed for sensitive skin. They provide a clean feeling without any added fragrance. What we like. Designed to move with your body, these long panty liners offer discreet protection and a fresh feeling throughout the day. Their contoured shape ensures a comfortable and secure fit. If you lead an active lifestyle or simply want reliable, comfortable protection for everyday freshness, these are perfect for you. What people say. They are comfortable all day, stay stuck pretty well despite the active days I sometimes have, and the length is great. I liked the individual wrappers. Works as expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.